Guys, akala ko talaga yung in-orderan ko, yung may dip na nasa baso. Nagkamali ako. Akala ko ito yun. But anyway, since nandyan na, itatry na natin. This is 24 chicken. Yung sinasabi ko, chicken pala yun. So, ang in-order ko ay lemon garlic thing. Churut-churut. Grabe oh, may garlic na fresh sa ibabaw. I don't think kakainin to ng pamangking ko. Garlic. Ang naanghang! That's so garlicky. Grabe, ang dami ko nang naalis. Ang dami pa ring garlic sa loob. Look, alis ko. Pwede na akong maggisa. Tapos paandar, ang in-order ko sa akin yung Jack Daniels. Yung portion ng chicken. Ang in-order ko 2 pieces. So, ito yung isa. And this is the other piece. So, it's 140. Okay naman. Yung laki. Jack Daniels daw to. Hap. Nag-order ako ng truffle mayo. Just love everything with truffle. 50 pesos. Let's try it. It's like Jack Daniels with truffle mayo. This is good. Ito isa hindi ko alam kung ano to. Hindi ko naman ito in-order. So feeling ko kasama to dito sa Jack Daniels. This is Jack Daniels na sasawan. May palang ito, try natin. Lagyan natin. Yan. Talagyan natin na itong sauce na I think ito yung Jack Daniels sauce. Churut. Kung inatiknan nyo guys. It's so gorgeous. See that? Tingnan natin yung may sauce pa. Parang sa chicken nila. Juicy. Ang flavorful. I like this. Garlic, truffle mayo is good. Drinks, peach iced tea. Hindi peach. Kaya mo yan. Okay, bye.